Engwe X26. Let's see what it's all about. Okay, really thick tire. Beautiful. Very well packaged. This box got some damage, and as you can see, the bike itself have no damage. Wow, first impression, I'm really excited. There looks like a second seat over here. It looks like a little moped or a little motorcycle. This is why I opened the box, because it's very soft box, very comfortable to sit on. Comes with all the tools. Let's put the pedals in. Usually it's super simple. Just take off all this four, put steering wheel in and tighten it up. There is like a target over here, and I keep this on so I don't scratch it up. Next I'm going to put the tire in, and the disc is going to go into the brake. So just line that up. It's a wheel, so I want to tighten it good. We don't want to lose it while we're riding it. Okay, I'm going to cut off this zip tie, and this will plug in into here, and it's locked in. It kind of twists in to lock. So this side here is the main battery that is in the seat, and also it's removable and could be a secondary reserve battery. That is amazing. So it comes with a couple of keys. This key is for this battery, and another keys I have, it's for inside of this battery. It's not super heavy, but it is a big bike, so in case I need to fold it together, remove the secondary battery, remove the secondary battery, or fold it to stick it in a car. Boom. I have a Suburban, so I almost don't have to fold it. There is a second key to remove the whole battery. I have a triple shock absorbers, 1, 2, and the big ones in the back. 1200 watt with the 8 speeds pedals, Shimano. To turn it on, there is a button on and off. It pushes in, then press on and hold. The battery will last on the electric mode 100 kilometers, which is about 60 miles. Beautiful screen, camera a little bit more reflection picking up. Without the camera, it actually does not reflect much at all. Wow, it's actually automatically shuts it off because it knows it is daytime right now. That is cool. Okay, kilometers. Okay, trip time, max speed, average speed, it's in kilometers. That's fine. I'm sure there's a way to change it. Sport mode, if I press and hold. Assist, normal. 1. Quite quiet engine. Power assist 5. Wow. And it says 50 kilometers an hour. The engine is very quiet. You know what? Let's just jump on it and ride a little bit, see what happens. I'm 6'7", 235 pounds, and this is very comfortable. Power assist 3. You know what? Gotta adjust the seat a little bit. But yeah. 20 kilometers an hour. Super quick. Wow, that's smooth. Amazing. And yeah. Wow, that is really nice. Let's see how well we're going to do starting from the hill. Okay, the brakes. Whoa, heavy bike pulling down so much. Better use brakes. Okay, set it on normal. Now my throttle works. Cool. We adjust pedal. Probably okay. I'm on 1. Kick in the throttle. No problem. Wow. On a big hill. So it seems to be whenever I do assist, it's only pedal assist. Normal is only throttle, and sports probably will be both. Okay, I'm gonna put it on sport. Let's try to have a little joyride down the hill. Probably also I need to reset the pedal speed about 3 on a flat. Yeah, brakes is really good, driving down really fast, very comfortable. 26 miles an hour downhill. It's heavy bike, so it wants to pull me down. Plus I'm 230 pounds, so we have a lot of inertia. Okay, brakes are really nice. Okay, so I'm probably going to put on 3 pedals and power assist 1. Let's see how it feels on throttle. Doesn't feel like it's doing anything. We're slowing down. Yeah, seems to be on sport. It's all, everything turns off. I love the bar over there. Okay. Doesn't matter. Ooh, without it, it's so hard to pedal. I'm gonna put it on normal with the throttle and help a little bit. So nice. This power assist 4. Oh yeah, helps a lot. Going up a hill, I'm gonna take off pedals. Oh wow, it barely can climb up. All right, and down the hill super fast. Couple bumps over here, no problem. I love the anti-shock, so comfortable. So this is a gradual hill. Let's see how it does just the throttle. Very slow, and this is power assist 5. 10 miles an hour, so I gotta help it out, and then we can speed up, but it helps a lot. Without it, it is quite hard without power assist on the throttle. So that's cool. Okay, now what we need to do is set it on assist. There you go, power assist 5. Let's kick it in with the pedals. Oh yeah, this is the best. I could probably change this speed a lot faster. Ooh, 40 miles an hour. That is really fast. Now, probably I'll have to drop it quite a bit. Up a hill. Power assist 5. Let's see how it does. I need to readjust my seat. And what I noticed with going the hill, it's best to do it with the throttle, because it can help a lot. Get me going, and it can help a lot. Without the power assist, there's no way I can climb up to that hill. It says max incline is 30. This is like way higher. Whew. We'll try it with the power assist on the pedal, way better. This is gonna be bumpy. Oh, nice. It's assisting a lot. Boom. Quite cool. Very bumpy, no problem. I love it. Don't need any power assist right here. Quite bumpy. I love it. When I brake, it's kind of slows down too really well. Nice brakes. Okay, we're gonna go up a hill again. Probably go to 3. Power assist 5, because I'm slowing down. Oh yeah, it kicks in so well. Gotta do more gears and I can go faster. This is gear 6 now. Nice stoppage. Okay, now somewhat flat. Let's see how it does with the power assist on the pedals. Kick in right away. I'm on like speed 5. Miles an hour, kilometers an hour. Let's see how we do on an incline. Oh, nope, I cannot climb up. Oh, okay, sport. See how it does on sport mode. Okay, sport is the best. This is the steepest part, and I'm doing well. Adjusted the seat. Now my legs are straight. It's a little bit easier now. There you go. It helps so much to climb up a hill. Okay, 0. Just on a power assist. Oh yeah, I climbing up really fast on a sport mode. It speeds up very, very fast. That's nice. Brakes are good too. Love it. Very controllable. Look at that. Looks like a motorcycle or moped. So cool. Never seen a dual battery e-bike. Definitely very powerful. Just remember it rated at 30 degrees incline, but overall it speeds out really well and I had a lot of fun. The bumps, it ate through them super nice and very comfortable. Anyways, let me know in the comments below what do you think. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.